friends, now we are going to do a recipe that cures the common cold and cough. You know that honey that cures the common cold and cough. Now we are going to do the recipe based on that honey, milk and turmeric powder. First is take a cup of milk. Then with the small teaspoon take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then 1 spoon of honey. Now we have to mix the turmeric powder with the milk and stir it. After mixing, boil this with the high flame for 5 minutes. After boiling for 5 minutes, you take this mixture and warm it. Warm the mixture for 5 minutes. After warming the mixture, you take 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it. Mix the honey with turmeric and milk. So you get a mixture like this. After warming for 5 minutes, you get like this. Now you can have this recipe. If you like this video, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.